Hi everyone, and welcome along to the show. It's good to have your company today. Let me get this camera on and get us going. We'll start the webinar. Hey everybody, it's good to have your company today. Hey everybody, it's great to have your company today, and welcome to those on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter. Good to have your company to do a daily market update and economic calendar. I'm going to apologise for being late today. We're doing some renovation work on the office and it just wasn't ready. And you can tell by the glare, it's still not perfectly ready, but we're underway at least. Look, big day news. Been waiting talking all week about this. Here comes non-farm employment change in the US. And what we're looking for is for this news to come out and to give the market a push in one direction or the other. Now, we've got COVID cases in the US now taking out, killing more people per day than 9/11 did. And look, it's a bit of a, from an economic point of view, the truth is that COVID-19 is taking out older people who aren't vital to the workforce. But so economically, they're not hugely important, but they are families, they are wisdom. It is a terrible, terrible thing. And it's interesting to see if we got bad employment numbers on top of that, then I think the US dollar might continue to get smashed. And if the US dollar continues to get smashed, we may see some really good trading this month. As we've had this quiet news week, we get this big bit of news, pushes the market in direction and may keep it going that way for a little while. Now, we'll have a bit of a look at this, starting with the FTSE. I talked yesterday about key levels. We have just got a little bit above this level here. Still sort of take out that high there with a close, but it does look reasonably bullish on the FTSE, but hasn't gone anywhere yet. Nasdaq, similar type effect. You know, we have got a little close above this level here, but hasn't gone anywhere yet, and I think it's still waiting for NFP. Now, it's possible that if we got bad employment numbers, we'd see the US dollar weaken, which would put the value of assets valued in US dollars up, which you'll see the stock markets rise despite the bad numbers. S&P 500 again, hanging around this level, waiting for something to do. Bitcoin, poised, waiting, 944,450, looking to get to 20,000, go back to these highs. And again, I think the same thing applies at this stage. Look at these daily bars. Very small. Now, it's very early in these things, but very small yesterday, very small today. Very small yesterday, very small today. A little bigger yesterday, but very small today. These markets are waiting. Oil popped up a little bit yesterday, got back to the top of this range, but nothing's happening right now. Euro, no, it just continues to charge. I mean, the euro is the exception here. It does continues to charge. And I think the same thing applies every day to it. If it takes out the high, you can look to doing the longs. If it takes out the longs, we're probably looking for a retest of 120. I wouldn't be at all surprised to get a retest of 120 at some point. And the yen, you know, broke out of the triangle to the top side, now breaks out of the triangle to the bottom side, suggests that we're short biased. I'm going to change my triangle given where we are. I'm just going to just put it through there for now. Makes it a bit more balanced, if you like. We've got a break through the bottom of the triangle. And again, below this bar here, and we are looking for a move back down to the lows here around 103.18. Interesting, this move on the yen. Cormier say I was long yen yesterday. It did catch me out. But again, another day today, which we're not seeing a lot of movement early in the day here at all. Interesting move on the year. So it's quite a big move in this market. I'm not quite sure. Dollar weakness. Look, that went up in the face of dollar weakness, and then dollar weakness seems to have just caught it out. The Aussie, again, it's pushed through some interesting levels. Looks pretty bullish. But what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to wait. I'm going to take it easy. I'm going to let the NFP come out if I'm around. It's very late New Zealand. If I'm around them trading, as the NFP news comes in, look, it'll take the big funds around the world days to reissue their positions or adjust their positions if it's big news on NFP. There's plenty of time to make money if it's a big move. I'll sit down and wait. I'll try and get into it tomorrow morning New Zealand time, or I'll jump into it Monday morning and see what I can do. Look, it's no different to any other day, right? As traders, stay calm, make good decisions, trade your own information. Remember that this is brought to you for educational purposes only. Make your own decisions, trade those, stay calm and make good decisions. And I'll be back Monday, 12:45 New Zealand, 7:45 Singapore. We'll have another look at this market. And I'm really hoping on Monday we'll be able to talk about the fact we may have a move that's going to go on for a period of time and give us some lovely trading. Have a great weekend, guys. Enjoy your break from trading. It's the best part of trading Forex, isn't it? You know, and that, you know, weekends are, you know, maybe a little bit of research, maybe a little bit of evolving, but really you get a proper break. So no one can force you to work Sunday as a trader. Take care, and we will see you guys next week.